2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners Honda CB300R. In the realm of motorcycles designed for beginners, the 2024 Honda CB300R stands out as a stylish and approachable option, offering novice riders a perfect fusion of aesthetics, performance, and user-friendly features. Recognized as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, the CB300R seamlessly combines Honda's engineering excellence with a design that embodies a minimalist and contemporary ethos. In 2024, the CB300R continues to captivate riders globally, serving as a symbol of accessible performance, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling. 1. Striking Neo Sports Cafe Design. The Honda CB300R boasts a striking Neo Sports Cafe design, setting it apart as a modern and stylish option for beginner riders. With its minimalist bodywork, exposed frame, and a design philosophy that emphasizes raw beauty, the CB300R exudes a sense of urban sophistication. Honda's commitment to a design that marries minimalism with contemporary aesthetics ensures that the CB300R not only delivers a visually appealing riding experience but also stands as a symbol of the timeless elegance of the modern street fighter. 2. Efficient single-cylinder engine for everyday performance. At the heart of the CB300R lies an efficient 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and everyday performance. Honda's engine design prioritizes smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for novice riders navigating city streets and urban environments. The CB300R's engine provides sufficient power for city commuting, weekend rides, and the delightful experience of exploring the streets with ease, offering a versatile platform for riders to dip their toes into the world of motorcycling. 3. Nimble handling and lightweight chassis. Designed for nimble handling, the Honda CB300R features a lightweight chassis that contributes to its responsive and agile characteristics. The bike's balanced geometry and user-friendly ergonomics make it easy for beginners to confidently navigate through city traffic, hone their riding skills, and experience the thrill of a lightweight street fighter. The CB300R's nimble nature enhances its approachability, allowing riders to comfortably develop their skills and savor the joy of urban riding. 4. Comfortable seating and rider-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the CB300R features rider-friendly ergonomics. The motorcycle offers a comfortable and neutral seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and an upright riding posture, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the CB300R not only a stylish option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting, weekend escapes, and exploring the city streets with flair. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 CB300R seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. These include a sleek LCD instrument cluster, LED lighting for visibility, and Honda's engineering excellence, adding essential functionality to the stylish package. Honda ensures that the CB300R remains a technologically advanced choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of contemporary design with essential modern features. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda CB300R stands as a global icon of entry-level street fighter excellence, securing its position as one of the best motorcycles for beginners. Its striking design, efficient single-cylinder engine, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for novice riders venturing into the world of motorcycling with a taste for style and performance. Whether mastering the basics, cruising city streets with elegance, or simply enjoying the thrill of urban exploration, the CB300R encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of accessibility.